everyone and welcome back to another video. It's Brianna Ray from BriY here to bring you Spackle. That's right. I've seen so many people doing these cool textured art pieces and I just kind of wanted to give it a shot, see how easy it is, if it's easy at all, if it actually requires any amount of skill, because it seems like a bunch of virtual newbies are doing stuff like this. And good grief, I just want to be a part of it. So I got myself quite a few paint scrapers so that I can add some fun texture in here. Some of them are a little thinner than others. These are like paper, so I'm probably not going to use these, but I do obviously have them, and I'm feeling like everyone kind of does this like rainbow look, and I think it's really cute. So I kind of want to do the same thing. So I'm gonna set these guys off to the side here, and I think I'm gonna aim for this one. And then, you know, try to do like some rainbow shapes here. I don't know. This might be even kind of a tiny one to do it with, but you know, I am only working with the spackle that I had at my local dollar store, which is this lightweight spackling by Tool Bench. Tool Bench hardware. Could have sworn I had some palette knives in my collection, but they seem to be eluding me. So I'm just gonna use a popsicle stick. This is a super dollar store friendly hack, so definitely super budget friendly. Assuming it works. So this is $1.25. I think I got these paints, but none of these were super inexpensive. I think I got them for like $6 from Amazon, and it came in a whole bunch of packs. But I do think you can find similar scrapers on at the dollar store. I just happened to have mine from elsewhere. And so $1.25, $6. You know, I got the canvas from the dollar store as well. I don't know. No, not actually, no, I'm thinking about it. I think I'm going to use this guy, but really only to spread my guy across my canvas here. So I want to keep some of this texture in there if I can, but I also really want to do this like rainbow thing that everyone does. So I'm going to pick probably a thicker part here. And I'm just going to start pulling it and then pull it into a curve, and hopefully that's going to create this like rainbow look. I mean, it would have. I think I just went in too far. Yeah. Let's come back. I'm going to flatten it out again. It's kind of the fun part is trying to layer it up enough. I don't know, maybe I'll grab one of these. No, I won't. I like this like organic, like almost concrete look that it has going on here. So I'm just gonna, again, kind of keep scraping until it's like flat, but like not really. Kind of using the corner here to kind of create these thicker like textural lines. Something like that. I kind of want it to all go in one direction though. Maybe? Is that cool? Is this art now? I don't know. I do like the texture a lot. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry. It says that it's paintable within minutes. So let's put that to the test. I'm not sure how long it's going to take, but I'm going to set it to the side, let's say for like a half hour, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to decorate it. I don't know what's going on here. Every time I touch it, it's still kind of moving. So this might have to be an overnight sort of excursion. So I guess, like, and it's not bad, but like it definitely, you can see it like leaves my fingerprint when I tap. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave this to dry overnight and then I will revisit it in the morning. Alright, y'all, we are back and she is crispy. Love it. Where I touched it, it definitely got a bit of a crack in it. Let's see if we can assess the damage. Not too bad. Yeah, so overall, the look came out as I expected. All the texture's still there. I imagine some of it's gonna flake off when I start dry brushing, but that's kind of the next move, is I'd like to dry brush some of this and I'm gonna use this like light lavender purple. And I want to try to use some of this gold, and I also want to see about adding in some gold leaf, just to kind of make a cool, like multi-textured, multi-layered sort of look. So I'm just gonna take this, and you know, the thing about dry brushing is I don't know if I'm stupid or I just don't get it, but like it's kind of hard for me because I always seem to have too much paint on the brush. But we're gonna try today to like brush a bunch of the excess off. So we're obviously not gonna wet the brush at all, and I'm just gonna give it a couple of swipes and take it over here onto the keys. I'm not even gonna pour it out, I'm just gonna dip, and I don't care if I have a little bit. The purple's still in there because it'll look just blended. There we go, and I'm gonna try to fill this in on some of the spots where I didn't get anything. Alright, so for the gold leaf, I just have these like flakes. It does the same kind of thing, and look at how fun. So because they're flakes, I think I'm just gonna like kind of grab and then drop in various locales. And then I'm gonna brush them on. Something about gold leaf, it just sticks to everything. And definitely some of it likes to stick and some of it does not. There's that. I'm just kind of pressing it into the groove so that it kind of sticks. Kind of fun. Okay. And now I just kind of want to seal it a little. Hate the way that the gold looks now that it's dried. It kind of is a little jank. I should not have done that. 0 out of 10 would recommend that move. Overall, I think this is quite fun. I really do. I like the texture of it. I like the way that it's like abstract, but it feels kind of like somewhat intentional. I mean, it was. I made it. But yeah, I do like the way that it turned out. I think this is a cool kind of thing for display, definitely. I feel like, you know, and especially the abstract ones, you kind of get to pick which way you like the best, and I don't know why, but this way is kind of speaking to me a little bit. I do like the landscape a little bit better on both sides. I don't know. Which way feels right to you guys? This feels right to me. And that's kind of the fun of doing this kind of abstract stuff, isn't it? Definitely cool. I feel like on a large scale, like in a living room or something, this would for sure look super cool. And I feel like when you see them, like other people doing them online, you're always kind of like, okay, but like honestly, does it even look that good? And it kind of does, especially this like little faux gold leaf pack. Definitely get you some of this stuff because it classes it up like a million times, and there's something about it that looks, especially if it were on a larger scale, like it could be expensive, and this cost me almost nothing to make. I mean, this is 50-cent apple barrel paint, a dollar store canvas, dollar store spackle. The gold leaf was a little bit more on the expensive side. I got it in a pack of 3 though. So I don't know, it just kind of depends on what you want to put into it is what you get out of it, but I'd rather spend money on, you know, the decorating of it than the canvas pieces here. I really like this project. I hope you did too. I hope it gave you a little bit of confidence in the method a little bit, and maybe a little bit of inspiration. So if you like what you saw, feel free to like and subscribe. I do put out new videos every Sunday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I would love for you to be here for the next one. Thanks again so much, and I hope to see you then. Bye.